No question. When will some of these current senior, former West Indies players stop behaving like spoiled brats and like them own and can do anything they want with West Indies cricket? Me sick of them. In comes Dwayne Bravo now, claiming himself and Kieran Pollard and Sunil Narine and Darren Bravo are being denied the opportunity to help Caribbean people. With his friend Darren Sammy chiming in, saying that Cricket West Indies missed an opportunity to build bridges between itself and these senior players, all because the Trini Posse was not named in the West Indies team to play a charity T20 game in England against a World 11. Bravo, supported by Sammy, is saying they are being denied the chance to help Caribbean people. And this is what I've been preaching about this crop of players. Them and them rotten attitudes have been a big part of the problem facing West Indies cricket. Again, they want to play for the West Indies at their own convenience. Remember, this is the same crop of Trini players who were all unavailable for the recent World Cup qualifiers. But now that they want to be a part of the hype and the frolic of a celebrity game, all of a sudden, all of them available and want to help Caribbean people. The Caribbean people don't need no help. And I hope that Cricket West Indies board president, Mr. Dave Cameron, tell you if we go to our seaside. I remember someone else said that. Don't bother tell me. It's all right, Dave. Don't say nothing.